You have a $10,000 dream, but a $0 motivation level today. You're currently stuck in that "I'm going to change the world" era, but you're also in the "I can't get off the couch" era. It's frustrating, right? You know you're capable of greatness, but you're paralyzed by your own habits. If this sounds like your life, you're likely dealing with the psychology of people who are lazy but ambitious. But what if I told you that the gap between who you are and who you want to be is just the one choice you haven't made yet? Stick around, because this isn't just another lecture, it's a voice of wisdom for your self-improvement journey. In the Storylight, we're diving into a story of growth that every high achiever in waiting needs to hear. Today, we're diving into a story of growth that every high achiever in waiting needs to hear. We often look for a life golden compass to guide us, but the truth is usually simpler. Think about someone like Mark, a guy living in a busy suburb of Denver. He has a vision board full of big ideas, writing a novel, training for a marathon in Chicago, or launching a startup. But every night, instead of acting, Mark finds himself scrolling through TikTok or binging Netflix in his Philadelphia apartment. He is the living definition of why it's so hard if you're ambitious but lazy. Why does this happen? It's not because you're destined to fail. It's because your brain is overwhelmed. When a task feels massive, your brain enters survival mode and chooses the path of least resistance. But you can outsmart your biology using the Kaizen Method, the art of small, continuous improvements. Here are 3 words of wisdom to help you navigate your path. Step 1. Make it small. Big tasks are scary. If Mark wants to write a book, he shouldn't focus on the 200 pages. He should focus on writing one single sentence today. Small steps make you feel good, providing the dopamine your brain is craving. Focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2. Create easy routines. Don't wait for a voice of wisdom to strike you with lightning bolt motivation. Willpower is a limited resource. Instead, build an environment that does the work for you. Put your running shoes right by your bed so that when you wake up, the choice is already made. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is the first 120 seconds. Promise yourself you'll work on something for just 2 minutes. Once you start, the momentum takes over. The first push is the only hard part. Here is the truth that acts as a life golden compass. Everyone you admire, American icons like Steve Jobs or Oprah Winfrey, they weren't born with infinite energy. They knew that a dream without action is just a hallucination. Right now, your dream is a tiny spark. Every small action is like adding fuel. Soon, you'll have a roaring fire that no one can ignore. Let's keep it simple. If you're ambitious but lazy, remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. This is your one choice. Will you keep scrolling, or will you take that 2-minute step? If you found value in this Storylight production, make sure to subscribe for more of the Wordy Tales and words of wisdom. Comment below with the one small task you're going to tackle in the next 2 minutes. Your future self is waiting. Go make them proud. And hey, since hitting that like and subscribe button takes way less than 2 minutes, you can consider this your first official win of the day. Look at you, crushing your goals without even leaving the couch.